All right, guys, check it out. I don't know if you guys know where we are, but we are heading over to Disneyland again.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Where is it? Who are you gonna go see over there?
Minnie Mickey.
Minnie Mickey? Oh, Jordan, who do you want to see over there?
Chip and Dale and Donald.
Oh, okay. It's a pretty gloomy day, right? It was raining earlier today, which hasn't really rained in a long time, but it's kind of cool. We're heading over here. Hopefully it's not too busy. Let's cross. All right, so last time I actually did a whole spiel while walking into Disneyland last time, but the SD card messed up. I got a couple new SD cards, so hopefully these work. So we did read your comments last time on what to eat, so we're gonna go and try and get those foods. So we could do like a little eating section either on here or on the Crunch Bros. We'll probably do it on the Crunch Bros. We're gonna head over to Disneyland side first. All right, we made it. They let us in. I don't know what we're gonna actually do right now. Hey, what are we gonna be doing right now? That's just so cool. You got all the decorations up. Can I get a turkey leg? That's it.
Oh, really?
Hey, look, there's a ducky. Thank you. All right, got it. Where are we going now? Oh my goodness, there's a duck right here. Hey, come. Did you see the ducky?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we are gonna get the rest of our food right now. What are we gonna get? Food. We're gonna get skewers. Can you say skewers? Yeah, we're gonna get the, I haven't had these in forever, but this is right in front of the Jungle Cruise, and they have skewers here.
Yeah.
All right, check it out. Oh, what's Jordan gonna be eating? Oh, check those out. Garlic butter yaki from Snack Addicted. Yeah. While waiting in line, we brought our own snacks. So make sure you guys have your own snacks. These are from Snack Addicted. They're so good. Turn the back. They're the garlic butter yaki. These things are so good. Oh, these are so good. So those are pretty good. Snack number one while waiting in line, picking up our food. How is it? Oh, it's good. Make sure you share with everyone.
You want
And of course, there's more snacks. Look at that. Veggie chips and pretzels. That looks delicious. Mmm, delicious. All right, guys, so we'll show you guys when we get our skewers, and then I think we need to pick up some beignets, some Mickey-shaped beignets, and then after that, we'll head over, sit down, and do a quick little mukbang.
So I have the Bengal beef, a pork belly, and then I have the tiger tail breast.
Awesome, thank
Have a
you.
easy.
Poo-poo. Oh!
She's laughing at you.
It died on us. It fell down. All right, cool. All right, so we picked up our skewers. Now we're heading over. We're gonna go pick up our beignets, and then we'll find a place to sit down. We'll do a little mukbang. All right, guys. So I just picked up the beignets, and I'm heading over to meet up with them. They went over to go find a table at the Hungry Bear Inn, or the what was that name? But we're heading over there. We're gonna do the mukbang over there. So I got the beignets right now. There's kind of a lot of people here. I'm actually surprised. But yeah, check out the Haunted Mansion. I'll come back to you guys once I find out where they are exactly. 'Cause I don't know where the boat they're talking about. Alright, we're gonna do a quick mukbang right now.
Sanitizer.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Good job, Jordan.
Thank you. Okay. Alright, guys, so we just did a little mukbang on the Crunch Bros side. So go check that out on the Crunch Bros. Now we're pretty much just sitting here. We're gonna finish up the food. Hopefully we can go ride some rides and see a parade and see what else there is before we head over to California Adventure Side. Now what are you eating? Oh my goodness, is that good? Oh my goodness, I'm watching Crunch Baby right now. And she's devouring that turkey leg we got. How is it? Take a bite.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa. That's a power bite.
Get it, Kaya, get it.
Oh, yeah. All right, so we're in line for Winnie the Pooh now. Kaya hasn't been on this ride before. Jordan has, but it's been like a really long time. So it's gonna be his first time on this trip in a while. So I don't think he even remembers this ride. Are you ready? Yeah, okay. Hi, Winnie. That's what it is. Alright, so we just got off of Winnie the Pooh. We came over and now we're in the line for the Pirates of the Caribbean. It's moving along. Alright guys, so Jordan and I, we are riding on what?
The teacup.
We're on the teacup. There's a parade going on too. Oh my gosh, here we go! Whoa! Oh my god, whoa! 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 This is dizzy! Woo! Woo! Oh man! Oh man, it's so dizzy! Whoa!
Daddy, I saw Santa.
You saw Santa? Oh yeah, he's coming.
Disneyland Annual Passes. Merry Christmas.
So we just finished up riding on the teacups. That was super dizzy.
It was not that dizzy
Not
at all.
that dizzy at all. Oh my goodness. All right, so I got pretty dizzy on there. Now we're on the storybook ride right now.
Devoted at all times. And parents, please make sure to supervise your children as well as children. Make sure to supervise your parents as we do not want any unexpected turns. Stroke of midnight, her carriage turned into a pumpkin. But do not worry.
All right, so we just got off of storybook. That was a pretty cool ride. It was actually a lot shorter than I remembered. But we're gonna head over to California Adventure Side now. It's probably it's 4 o'clock right now, so we're gonna head over there. We were here for about 3 hours. So we're gonna head over to California Adventure and go check it out. And I don't know if I should tell you guys, but this is actually right when you first walk into Disneyland. It's right behind this guided tours building right here. It's just really cool because it's like a single family bathroom that you can use, and not a lot of people know about it, so it's kind of nice because everyone's walking right by us. And you can still hear everyone singing, which is cool.
Freezy freeze.
So they're just playing around. Alright, Crunch Mom doesn't really do good with rides that spin like this. She gets car sick real easily. Ever since she was pregnant, this is what she says at least. Ever since she got pregnant, she says she gets car sick and motion sickness, and I don't know why she decided to ride this ride.
I wanted to bring Kaya because Kaya has never been on, but she wanted to come.
So yeah, we'll see what happens. I think she's gonna get sick, but she might be okay. We'll see.
You've showed some real
Sacrifices.
but now
Who's here?
Kaya's here. Hi, Kaya.
Auntie Doko.
You're gonna look that way and you can find them, okay? All right, guys, so we just finished up at Disneyland. All right, so they actually closed up a little early. They had a special event going on today at 7. So they closed up a little early. We went to California Adventure, and we know that once Disneyland closes up, California Adventure is just gonna get jam-packed with all those people from Disneyland. So we ended up coming out, and we're at our favorite little food jjajangmyeon place here. Let's show you guys when we get inside.
Mommy, the mustard looks like the mustard in my chicken.
We just finished up. Sorry, I didn't really film while we were eating. We were so hungry. I only got one of the dishes. Sorry, we're so hungry, but this are our leftovers. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Boo-boo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kaya, bye-bye. Where are you going? Bye-bye. Jordan, bye-bye.
Bye!
All right, we'll see you guys next time.